So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and use effects on Instagram. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time. So what you want to do first of all is you want to go and make your way over to your Instagram, application. Now here I'm just logged into my profile. And what you can do is you can click on the plus button on the top right, and then you'll be able to go into your story panel. So you can just click on story here and you'll be brought into your little story option here. Now, sometimes you may have to enable your photo and video, which is kind of random, but okay. Now what you can do here is you can go ahead and click on your little camera option. I guess we have to allow camera. I don't know why we have to do this all of a sudden. And essentially what we want to do is when we're here is you want to go ahead and access this little panel on the side. So now that we're on our story panel, you can also, I think, do this in other panels too. These little effects right here is where you can actually go ahead and start utilizing. So if you want, you can just scroll through here, and if there's an effect that you want, you can just scroll through here and you'll actually be able to find one. Now at the very end, if you scroll through all these effects, there's a little search button. So what you can do is if you want to go ahead and search for some sort of effect, what you can do is click on the little search button here, like literally click on it, and you'll come into this panel. So now you'll actually see a bunch of effects within Instagram. So now what you want to do is you want to go and scroll through and you'll be able to find whichever one you want. So in this case, you can scroll through these effects if you want to. You can also click on the trending little button here, and you'll also be able to find a ton of different effects that you can go ahead and kind of monitor and kind of go through. So this is another cool thing that we have going for as well. So I think that in and of itself is really awesome. So now if you want to go and choose one, you can choose whichever one. Let's say you want this one. We can go and choose it. And then what you can do is go and swipe down. I think you can drag this down. And that is it. So now you have this effect, and whenever you're ready, you can hold it down. You can go and make a video, you can talk, you can do whatever you want to. Whenever you're done, you can let go. And then as long as that effect looks good to you, you can click next and you can post that, wherever way you want to. And that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.